so long. Yesterday we also bringing back yung cake, the birthday cake ng mga senior. Ngayon ito naman yung gusto naman namin. Yung ang mahal kasi ng pustisyo. Pinakamurang pustisyo at ang makukuha mo sa merkado, 10,000. Pagka nag-buong ipig ka pa, baka 60,000, 50,000. Alam mo naman senior, limited na rin yung resources nila. So, in our own little way, through the leadership of Manila Health Department and OSCA and our dentists, medical frontliners, plus the private sector, combined together and bringing joy and smile for our beloved senior citizen. Alam mo naman, spoiled na spoiled sa akin yung mga lolo at lola ko. Alagang parlor yan sa Maynila.
Sir, ongoing na ngayon yung ilang mga investigation sa mga nasasangkot sa flood control projects sa anomalya. Anong i-recommend natin?
We will wait for the result of the investigation. For the meantime, we are hoping that it will end well or for betterment of our people.
Pero for Manila,
yun ang, yeah, the entire, kasi ngayon, the entire country is like chaotic with regard to this issue. Kami sa Maynila talagang apektado. Kasi, I hope may mauwian itong ginagawa niya. Sa kami, pagka may nakita na kami ebidensya laban sa mga tiwali, ay papay lang kagad namin ang kaso. Tulad ng ginawa namin sa pagkukulang ng mga contractor sa Maynila. And i-update namin kayo in a matter of few hours, less than 72 hours, on what is our next move. But setting aside all these things, ang walang pumapansin na dapat din bigyan ng attention. Dahil sa kapabayaan sa flood, maraming buhay ang nasawi. Kasi in the case of City of Manila, baka lang walang pumapansin, and I'm calling the attention of our respected police that rise on infection to leptospirosis is really beyond sa kapasidad. Sa amin, sample lang. This is some numbers. At 260 infected, 70 died. So people are dying because of flooding. More than the property damage. So threat to life. So I think, actually, I hope they're going to do it fast. We'll have a result. Then we move forward agad. We move on agad. What can we do together to develop real functioning pumping station and flood control? Hopefully, I'm always optimistic. Yes, may mga problema sila and so on and so be it. So, panagutin natin yun lang. Pero ano yung gagawin natin?
Kaya pa ba yung supplies yun ng site?
Marami pa kami. Oo. Para sa prophylaxis. Yes. Doon man lamang maisan namin. But we are ready. Kaya lang siyempre, at the end of the day, pag nagulat ka sa numero, maawa ka sa numero. I mean, leptos, saan mo makukuha yun? Sa maalam. So, I think that I'm also calling the attention of the Senate to include the health sector on what we can do. Although hindi naman sila involved sa construction. Pero ano ba ang samang epekto nito sa buhay ng tao? Kasi as far as Manila, marami sa akin mga taga-Maynila sawi dahil sa infection. Okay.
Mayor, last question po. Aside from the regular declogging operations and flushing operations sa Manila, ano po ba yung ginagawa ninyo sa city government?
That's the best thing that we can
to
do to
address the flood.
Really unclog whatever underneath within our means and resources. We will not stop since July 1 hanggang ngayon. As you can see in my Facebook, lahat halos ng mga, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank 896 barangays for doing the every Saturday of declogging our drainage system.
Basta ang relasyon natin sila mga
Ay, welcome sila lahat sa Maynila. God is ang Diyos mapagpatawad sino. It doesn't matter whoever they are. Di ba? Kung yun ang tingin nila. Basta ako, they can and I can work with anybody as long as it is beneficial sa taong bayan. O, yung fried chicken lang yan. O, yung sinaktan nila yung damdamin ko ng mga nakaraang panahon, yung akusasyon nila sa akin ng mga nakaraang panahon, ipinagtibay na ng tao na hindi totoo dahil sa resulta ng desisyon ng taong bayan through democracy. And I move on with my life. At kung gusto nila mag-move on, let's come together and move on and deliver what we promised to our people. Dito ang importante yung tao. Yung damdamin ko, okay lang yun. Maghihilom din naman na sugat one way or another. Pero yung opportunity to develop the city sa kapakinabangan ng tao, yun is my utmost concern.
Thank you po, Mayor.